Welcome back. Today's article is Unusual Records Set. Before we begin, let's think about this. Why do people try to set strange or difficult records? Maybe because it's not just about winning, but about leaving a mark on the world. Let's start by watching a short video on today's topic and thinking about the issue.
Okay, so in order to achieve this record, the Scotch egg must contain 1 egg, sausage meat and breadcrumbs. The record to beat is 6.2 kilograms.
GG, Clarence Court, you're going down.
7.81.
Clocking in at 80 centimetres of girth, 20,000 calories and 1,500 grams of protein. We had to get it sliced through clean and it all stay intact.
Oh, yeah.
How groovy, baby.
Oh, yeah, mate.
Officially amazing!
Wasn't that interesting? Now let's start with a similar case. An American woman once held the record for the longest fingernails, which stretched over 8 meters in total. A man in China set a record for blowing the largest soap bubble, showing that fun can be just as memorable as strength. Children in South Korea once built the world's tallest Lego tower with teamwork, reaching nearly 32 meters. In Italy, a man balanced 125 scoops of ice cream on a single cone, turning dessert into an incredible spectacle. Records show how creative people can be, from cooking giant foods to inventing unusual challenges. The giant Scotch egg in the UK collapsed at first, but after adjustments, the chefs succeeded. Records often require persistence. Some records focus on athletic ability, like hitting dozens of tennis serves in 1 minute. These test human limits. Even goofy records like juggling or donut stacking remind us that fun has its own value. For many, the joy comes from recognition. Being written in a book means being remembered by people everywhere. Guinness World Records carry a message. With imagination and persistence, anyone can do something memorable. Records prove that greatness comes in many forms, not only through strength, but also through creativity and joy. Now let's look at 2 expressions from the article, one to describe variety and another to describe very long activities. Let's look at 2 key expressions. Number 1 is ranging from A to B. This phrase is used to describe broad categories or lists of things. Let's take a look at the examples. In the first example, this highlights wide product variety. In the second example, this shows different reactions. Next is marathon session. This phrase is used for work, sports, or entertainment lasting far longer than usual. Let's take a look at the examples. In the first example, this emphasizes intense effort. In the second example, this describes long discussions. Now let's learn 3 vocabulary words from the article that describe intensity, groups, and humor. The word downright. This word is used to emphasize that something is extremely true, often in a surprising or negative way. In the example, this stresses how unusual they are. Troupe. This word is used to describe groups of dancers, actors, or entertainers. In the example, this shows teamwork and endurance. Goofy. This word is used to describe playful actions that look funny or silly. In the example, this shows silly fun as positive. Today, we discovered the fun and creativity behind Guinness World Records. They remind us that determination and imagination can make anyone unforgettable. See you in the next class.